Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something incredibly exciting, the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm thrilled to take you along on this unboxing journey. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here we go. As we lift the lid, we are immediately greeted by the sleek and elegant design of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Wow, Apple has truly outdone themselves this time. The attention to detail is just impeccable. Let's gently lift it out of the box. First impressions? This feels premium and substantial in the hand. The new midnight blue color is just stunning. It catches the light beautifully. Now let's talk features. The first thing you'll notice is the expansive 6.9-inch display. It's an edge-to-edge masterpiece that offers crystal clear resolution and vibrant colors, perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows or diving into immersive games. Of course, we can't forget about the camera system. Apple has introduced some incredible upgrades here. With a 48-megapixel main sensor, night mode, and enhanced zoom capabilities, your photos are going to be nothing short of breathtaking. Touch on the build quality. The build quality feels as robust as ever, with a ceramic shield front and surgical-grade stainless steel edges. Not only does it look great, but it feels durable too, which is always a plus. And for those who love speed, the A16 Bionic chip ensures everything runs smoothly, whether you're multitasking or enjoying the latest apps and games. Plus, with improved battery life, you can do even more without constantly reaching for your charger. So there you have it, folks, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's a powerhouse of innovation wrapped in a stunning design. If you're an Apple fan or just someone looking for a top-tier smartphone, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay tech savvy.